Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to study about the important days of March 2021. So friends, let's start our session. First March, we celebrate Zero Discrimination Day and its theme is Equal Inequalities. And also we celebrate World Civil Defense Day on 1st of March. Next is 45th Civil Account Day. So फ्रेंड these 3 days are celebrated in the month of March. So फ्रेंड्स पहला है हम लोग का जीरो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन डे और इसकी थीम रही है इक्वल इन इक्वालिटीज़. नेक्स्ट है वर्ल्ड सिविल डिफेंस डे एंड नेक्स्ट इज 45th अकाउंट सिविल अकाउंट डे. नेक्स्ट है हम लोग का 3rd मार्च. 3rd मार्च को हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं वर्ल्ड हियरिंग डे एंड इट्स थीम इज हियरिंग केयर फॉर ऑल screen rehabilitate communicate. So friends, this was the theme of World Hearing Day. The next day is World Wildlife Day and its theme is forest and livelihood sustaining people and planet. So friends, this was the theme of the World Wildlife Day. So friends, 3rd March we celebrate 2 days, that is World Hearing Day and World Wildlife Day. Next is 4th March. On 4th March, we celebrate National Safety Day and its theme is road safety. Also, we celebrated National Security Day on 4th of March. Next is 7th March. On 7th March, we celebrated Jan Aushadhi Divas and its theme was Jan Aushadhi Seva Bhi Rozgar Bhi. सो फ्रेंड्स 1 से 7 तक हम लोग जन औषधि वीक मनाते हैं और 7 को हम लोग जन औषधि दिवस मनाते हैं और इसकी थीम रही है जन औषधि सेवा भी रोजगार भी. नेक्स्ट है 8 मार्च. 8 मार्च को हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे एंड its theme is Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. So friends, this was the theme of International Women's Day, which is celebrated on 8th March. And also we celebrate National Women's Day on 13th Feb. So friends, we have to remember both the days, that is 8th March was International Women's Day and 13th Feb we celebrate National Women's Day. Next is 10th March. We celebrated CISF 52nd Raising Day. The full form of CISF is Central Industrial Security Force and it was its 52nd Raising Day. Next is 11th March. On 11th March, we celebrate Kidney Day and its theme is Living Well with Kidney Disease. On 14th March, we celebrated Pi Day. Next is 15th March. 15th March was the day of World Consumer Right Day and its theme is Tackling Plastic Solution. Next is 16th March. 16th मार्च को हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं नेशनल इम्यूनाइजेशन डे. इसको हम लोग नेशनल वैक्सीनेशन डे भी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज 18th मार्च. ऑन 18th मार्च we celebrated Global Recycling Day and its theme was Recycling Heroes. Also we celebrated 220th Ordnance Factory Day on 18th March. So friends, 16th March was the National Immunization Day and 18th March was the Global Recycling Day and 220th Ordnance Factory Day. Next is 20th March. On 20th March we celebrated International Day of Happiness and World Sparrow Day. Next is 21st March. On 21st March, we celebrated International Day of Forest and its theme was Forest Restoration, a Part 2 Recovery and Well-being. Also, we celebrated International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination and its theme was Youth Standing Up Against Racism And also we celebrated World Poetry Day, World Syndrome Day. So friends, these 4 days we celebrated on 21st March. So friends, let's revise. On 20th March we celebrated International Day of Happiness and World Sparrow Day. And 21st March we celebrated International Day of Forest, and इसका थीम था फॉरेस्ट रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ पार्ट टू रिकवरी एंड वेलबींग. ऑल्सो वी सेलिब्रेटेड इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ एलिमिनेशन ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, और इसका थीम था यूथ स्टैंडिंग अप अगेंस्ट रेसिज्म. We celebrated World Poetry Day and World Down Syndrome Day on 21st March. Next is 22nd March. This is the most important day, and on this day we celebrate World Water Day, and this theme was valuing water. This is the theme of 2021 World Water Day. Next is 23rd March. On 23rd March we celebrate World Meteorological Day and Shahid Divas. Also, the theme of World Meteorological Day was the ocean, our climate and weather. The theme of World Meteorological Day was the ocean, our climate and weather. Next is 24th March. On 24th March we celebrated World Tuberculosis Day, and its theme was the clock is ticking. Next is 27th March. On 27th March we celebrated World Theatre Day. 31st March. On 31st March we celebrated International Transgender Day of Visibility. So friends, this was the last day. Let's revise all the days starting from 1st March. So friends, on 1st March we celebrated Zero Discrimination Day, which theme was equal inequalities, and also we celebrated World Civil Defense Day and 45th Civil Account Day. Next was 3rd March. On 3rd March we celebrated World Hearing Day, and its theme was Hearing Care for All, Screen Rehabilitate. Next was World Wildlife Day, and its theme World Wildlife Day, and its theme was Forest and Livelihood, Sustaining People and Planet. On 4th March we celebrated National Safety Day, and its theme was Road Safety. Also we celebrated National Security Day. From 1st to 7th March was our Jan Aushadhi Week. 1st to 7th March was Jan Aushadhi Week, Jan Aushadhi Seva bhi, Rozgar bhi. Next was 8th March, International Women's Day, and its theme was International Women's Day, and its theme was Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. Next was 11th March. On 11th March we celebrated World Kidney Day, and its theme was Living Well with Kidney Disease. World Kidney Day we celebrate on 2nd Thursday of March. Next is 14th March. On 14th March we celebrate Pi Day. Next was 15th March. On 15th March we celebrate World Consumer Right Day, tackling plastic pollution. Next was 16th March. On 16th March we celebrated National Immunization Day. It is also called as National Vaccination Day. Next is 18th March. On 18th March we celebrate Global Recycling Day, and its theme was Recycling Heroes. Also we celebrate Ordnance Factory Day, and this time it celebrated 220th Ordnance Factory Day. Next is 20th March. On 20th March we celebrated International Day of Happiness, and World Sparrow Day. Next is 21st March. On 21st March we celebrated International Day of Forest Restoration of Part 2, Recovery and Well-being. Also, we celebrated World Poetry Day and World Down Syndrome Day. Next is 22nd March. On 22nd March, we celebrated World Water Day, valuing, and its theme was valuing water. On 22nd March, it was also Bihar Divas. So friends, on 22nd March, we celebrated 2 days, World Water Day and Bihar Day. Next is 24th March. On 24th March, we celebrated World Tuberculosis Day, and this theme was the clock is ticking. So friends, the theme is very important for all the exams. हर एक एग्ज़ाम में थीम के बारे में पूछ लिया जाता है. So friends, we have to study both days and its theme. Next is 24th March तो हो गया. नेक्स्ट है हम लोग का 27th March. So friends, on 27th March, we celebrate World Theatre Day. And last is our 31st March. On 31st March, we celebrate International Transgender Day of Visibility. So friends, this was our session. So friends, we have discussed all the important days or related to March. Also, I have made videos on important days of February. So friends, if you haven't watched, you can go and watch that videos. It is very helpful for all your exams. Thank you friends. आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में कुछ न्यू टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू.